coils have finally arrived, and it is time to drop this bitch on the ground. Now we're obviously gonna be heading over to the shop and throwing the car on the lift, because why would we do it in here? And also I'm gonna be getting some help from my dad. I haven't done a ton of suspension work in my life, and suspension kind of strikes me as one of those things you really don't want to make silly mistakes on. So let's get it over in the shop and let's get these coils on, baby.
And I can't even see my pinch wheel. Who put this skirt away?
Sorry about that. How far are you up your pinch wheel?
Probably 3 inches.
I'll be back.
Okay. Car's not even lower yet.
By the way, my dad's car is way fucking cooler than mine. He's back.
Is that 2 on there?
93. That's not where you're supposed to put it. Yeah, it's got a regular cotter pin in it, so we gotta take the cotter pin out.
Okay.
You get it?
No.
Those are fun. So just grab it. Put this side to your, on this side on the head, and don't worry about destroying it. I mean, don't destroy it if you don't have to.
Alright. Now we gotta pop a ball joint out.
Some people will tell you that you can use a pickle fork. And you can, but you're gonna ruin your boot.
Never had a fork for my pickle.
There's no pressure on this per se. Sometimes it'll be like a torsion bar or something putting pressure on this system. So just make a habit out of leaving this nut on there so when it breaks loose, if there was pressure on here. Yeah. I suppose technically we should have safety glasses on, but since I can't see. Alright, now we want to take
This long boy out.
this long bolt out.
That should be plenty of room.
Yeah, it might be excessive, but I'd rather we go the excessive route. So, yeah, be careful not coming over the
Just nail my finger. Alright, probably gonna grab my coilover there.
Sounds like a big next step.
Well, I forgot to hit record when I was reassembling the strut, but the wheel still fit, so that's good. This is after the coilover, and this is before.
Let's see how stiff those things are.
The top ones up here are loose already.
Oh, you did that when it was...
Yeah.
Look at you. Go to town, you know what you're doing now. Low end, high end.
Oh shit. Sway bar is like pinching that.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, jeez. Oh, we talked about that.
I tried not to.
A little high to work on, but not out of the question.
I always work a little high, it's okay. A match side up as well.
Which obviously it's made that way. Obviously they want their writing out.
Right. Not like you're ever gonna see it regardless.
It's bad.
It's a little shorter.
Yeah, when we first did that, I'm like, are these right? But yeah, those screw jacks and stuff like that just make your life so much easier.
Yeah, it's
all the way around. Just don't set the car down with a screw jack underneath it. Only did it once, that's all it takes.
Okay, now we can tighten it off.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
Yeah, the hole's not where you think it should be.
Never is.
Well, that's true.
Woohoo! Okay, lower control arm bolt is tight with our washer. Sway bar
With
bolt.
the washer?
With the washer. Sway bar bolt is tight. Castle nut. Oh, we don't have our cotter pin in yet. Oh my god, am I lined up almost?
No. It'd been in the old days when you had the safety wire everything.
The safety wire.
Mm-hmm. I think cotter pins are no fun.
There it goes.
You want to pull these spacers off?
Yeah, that's probably, I don't think we really have a choice if we want to.
Look like it.
Oh, that actually doesn't look as sunken in as I thought. It's definitely sunken in, but.
I thought it was going to be a lot more than that.
Yeah, same. Yeah, we're gonna have to set it down very slowly.
You don't want to do any fender rolling, okay? That's a different video. The sad part is I'm pretty sure I have one of those. I know, it seems like nothing.
Yeah. It's gonna be way easier.
Yeah.
There's a washer on this.
I can't imagine you did that. Oh, baby.
I'm gonna put the washer on the bolt. Watch this.
Oh.
Is that hat gonna come off or something?
Well, that's what we took off. Just hold this cover.
Oh. That feels better.
You should be free. Free, but it won't come out.
Yeah, not quite free. You can pull it down like this. No, I can't. There we go. Perfect.
You don't like the one I brought over.
No. That's for the passenger side.
That's for the, okay. I'll believe that, whatever.
Yeah, it's only like a 6-inch gap.
That was a lot quicker. Than
That was, I could almost handle that one. Yeah, this does look like it's gonna be full tight. Oh, it's way inside.
It's a good place to start. Oh, I suppose it's a little different now because
Yeah,
we got that
because
other
we're
part.
being jacked way up. Yeah. Should we just put it on the other side and put that bolt back on?
That'd be easy. It won't take very long.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it really won't. Woohoo! It's free!
Kind of wondering how much fun we're going to have putting this sucker off the lift.
It's gonna be so much fun. What are you talking about?
I have some curiosity.
We're good so far.
Yeah, the only problem is the lift's all the way down in the car, isn't it?
Yeah, we never looked at that. Okay, we gotta have all of them moving at least. Would hope.
I don't know if it turns or not.
It'll turn.
You might be doing those dom turns.
Them dom turns are like that.
I don't know what else to call it. Oh, we got the lift out. Because I think I can pull these out as you go off. As long as you go off really slow.
Yeah, I hope I can do that.
Your hair more.
A little more to the hair.
Okay.
We did it! God damn, look how much better that looks. No more monster trucking, bro. Look at that shit. Look at that shit, yo. I could whip it down the neighborhood. Hopefully I don't just get fucking stranded at the end of my neighborhood and have to call my dad like, can you come help me? Let's go. So the struts I had in here before, they were completely fucking, like, they were fucked. All 4 of them were leaking. A couple of them were literally creating puddles in my garage. This car's always ridden like fucking shit. It's never had a good ride. But it feels a hell of a lot better now, I'll tell you what. I do have 20K springs. I did not get Swift springs. I went as stiff as I could go without getting Swift springs. So the ride is definitely pretty stiff, but it's still a hell of a lot better than it was before, because before it just felt like I was sloshing around fucking everywhere. Yo! I will say one thing, I've driven a truck since I was 16. Now I drive a car that's just a few inches off the ground. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to adapt some new driving habits, that's for sure. We made it back to the house. We're still rolling. Call that a fucking success, my boy. Now, I do still really need an alignment. I actually just thought about that. I'm probably fine, I didn't go very far. Either way, I need to get this car over to the Forgotten Garage with my boy Dom, get him to get me an alignment, get me looking right, and then, shit, we'll be able to roll this bitch around. Well, I can tell we made it. Let's go see if we can find the boys. Hello?
Did you see Josh's car? Carpet is so clean. You even sit in it?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Looks really good. Good job on the kit.
He's been here for 5 minutes.
Favorite sticker that I've made.
I fuck with it. Yeah.
We love Bass Bar stickers. Great, baby. Go back. What's that?
That all the time also come out.
And stop.
Is she certified to be working on my car?
She's got it.
She's got it. Okay,
She's
cool.
got it.
I
She
trust
went
her.
to school.
Okay, cool.
She just graduated. She's still scared though.
She's still a little nervous.
We're grabbing a set of my wheels to see what it looks
We gonna see what some real wheels look like?
like. Three-piece! Yeah, they won't fit anyways. A lot of camera.
It's a little pokey.
It's a little poke.
So 10's too wide.
It's too wide with no tilt.
Fair. My goal is right around negative 10-ish, like that area.
I tried.
How can you even cry sitting in the front seat?
Yeah, dude, you're in a Lexus. Come on.
That's why she's trying.
Oh, come on. You're doing great, Jose Exotic.
God damn. They gotta stay above the 420.
420. Before.
You see this like thicker spot
Yeah.
on the washer?
Yeah.
That needs to be over here to push. There it is, there's 4. Yep. Yeah, just fucking, we're running right there.
Dude, it's so cool having Dominic Toretto work on my car.
Ouch. 0. Where's your leisure?
I hope so. He's just staring at his iPad.
He's being an iPad kid. Like once you fuck the camera and then you align it with your toe, you usually get it. It also will lower your shit. It's just fucking geometry, man.
I'm never very good at math. Yo, you can definitely see it.
Fronts, they're usually easier. Sometimes.
Don't say that word. Don't use the E word.
We got your apprentice here. Oh my god. She's gonna tell you.
I thought Dominic Toretto looked sexy when he worked on cars.
That's what you're supposed to have your shirt off. There was a thaw. Stop. My daughter's here. She's over here trying to freaking work, man. Give her a wrench. That one's a big one. You're making me blush. Oh, I made Bryce ink yesterday. Yeah, we'll go with that. Oh, it moved. Oh no. That fucking hurts every time, bro. I can't. What was actually gonna happen. 0.
I think I can.
My mom always said, just do it.
There you go, you're at 0.
Okay, don't fucking change. Hey! Stop! Merry Christmas.
Hey. Make sure to go to Forgotten Stance for all your Stancy boy needs.
It's a toast.
Car is aligned. We dropped the rear a little bit as well just to help the side skirt kind of look flat against the ground, and it looks so fucking good right now, yo. I'm so excited. I think me and Jose Exotic here are gonna go for a little drive and this way?
Yeah, go right.
Whoa, a little scrapey
What spring rate is this?
Just 20.
Honestly, it's like feels good.
Hey, how much?
Jose Exotics free.
Oh.
Just for you.
I've never actually been to a gas station in this thing before.
First fuel up
First fuel on,
in the SC. This shit is pretty gas. It's great. Maybe just a little bit. Ooh, a little rubbage. Okay, guy.
Japanese V8,
Hey, why the hell do you get on trailers so easy?
Cause I'm not low enough, okay? Let me build it, bro. I'm still building. Let me assemble my Legos. Nice. You got my carpet all dirty.
I told you, I felt bad getting in.
Well, Dom, thank you again, bro. Much appreciated, dude. Bryce, Jose, thank you as well. God damn.
Josh is key.
Josh is.
Just remember, how cute Josh is.
Look at him over there.
Look at him.
Look at him.
Not Griffin. Griffin. Not Griffin.
Nope, that guy. That guy right there. That guy. So high.